So guys, these are the stuff I will use to cook this stew. This I have tomato here, pepper. So let us cook. And I'll be using this salmon fish to cook it. I've already washed it, even though it's packaged, but I still wash it. All right. Let me take onion. My husband loves onions. Hey, I know I don't give you better work now. Hey, you are even happy. Esther, hey. You want to start work? You want to start work? Say hello here. Esther. Inyanga baby. I want to start cooking now. You know, this video, I don't know if I should. I think it's becoming long, but if it's long, I am going to, you know, divide it into two. You guys know me now. I can divide for Africa. You gotta go. So yeah, already coming back from church, shopping and all of that, I've already made one video. Sure you get. So now this is cook with me. You gotta go. Even in a day, you can make more than how many videos. Sure you get. So now I want to start cooking. And I've already shown you guys what I want to prepare. I just want to, there's this kind of stew where they're hungry me. Since yesterday, I just want to eat much vegetables. I don't want to prepare tomato stew. I might prepare it maybe few days. I will do that. But today's one, I just want to prepare just basically vegetable stew. I'm not going to blend any tomato. I'll just, you know, what do they even call it? Like rough chop it with my blender and then, yeah. So, if today is the first time, my name is Oluchi Grace, and this is my channel, Unique Grace TV, and I'm living in Turkey with my beautiful family. You gotta go, please feel free to smash that red subscribe button and be a part of this family. You gotta go. So let's start cooking. You know, let me start. You know, you do it like I don't they talk. I need an angel. Carry down my wig where you carry. Esther, you know what I'm saying? Your mama wig. Take, go and keep it. Go and keep it. Go and keep that wig. Go and keep it. I did not say you should give me. Go and keep it. Yeah, go and keep it. Yeah, go and keep it inside room. Yes, go and keep it. Go and give daddy. Esther, good girl. Go and give daddy, okay? That's my baby.
But we no talk, then do a small move, but we no walk. But levels don't change, nothing is the same. If they see us now, enemies must bow. Then go bow, enemies must bow. See them they bow, then go bow, enemies must bow. They don't get a choice, then go bow, enemies must bow.
Esther, where are you going with this bucket now? Nothing where I no go see for this my Esther. Oh.
The day would end because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, oh. You were like, no, I was like, oh. You were like,
I saw this thing inside this thing. Thank God I've not caught this thing. I'm going to bring it one after another. Look at what I saw. You guys just see what I saw now. Thank God I've not even caught this vegetable. This is one of the reasons I like to cut my vegetable. Like, I don't cut my vegetable before washing it. This is one of them. Most people cut their vegetable and then wash it. For me, I have to bring it one after another, wash it, clean it, and then cut it. It will not take anything. Just imagine, had it been I cut this thing now, I know it might not God my preservers, sure you get, but I thank God that I saw it now. I'm going to rewash it again. Just In fact, now God they save us for waiting with the eat. Even when I dey Nigeria, you don't cut vegetable for me. When I go home, I wash it and then cut it. It is well. So guys, yeah, this earthworm is from the root of the spinach I bought, because here in Turkey they always sell their vegetable like their spinach, especially their spinach. They always sell it in root, like when they just uprooted it from the ground. So it carries sand, and they don't wash it. So even though they wash it, the roots will still be carrying sand. Sure you get. So that was why I found that earthworm from, and I purposely didn't want to edit this part so that we will just be more careful about our fruits and vegetable we buy in the market, because even if not earthworm, there are other pests that can be attached or stay in the leaves. We will not know. Sure you get. So let's just be more careful, and yeah, that is it. Keep watching, and please give this video thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Makaniga, like, yeah, you gotta get.
Life in a mirror. Now how you be, go show you. This is life in a farmer. Now where do you sow, you go reap.
So guys, I'm going to be adding the stew is fried now. I did the sauce because it's fried. So I'm going to be adding the fish with this egg and the vegetable. So that's what I'm going to be adding now.
You say she no fine, she too short, she no tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go break in my heart, yo. Our love will no go walk, oh. Now you sabi, she be my choice. Leave 'em for me, leave 'em for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love 'em, now so I like 'em, oh. Leave 'em for me, leave 'em for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love 'em, now so I like 'em, oh. Leave 'em for me, leave 'em for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love 'em, now so I like.
So guys, this is the broccoli. I have steamed it. All right, I'm not going to be adding that broccoli inside that sauce, because it's going to break and scatter, and my husband doesn't like it. So I and Oma will be eating it. All right, so that is basically it. Not that he doesn't eat it, but he doesn't like it when it scatters all over the food, abi the soup, abi stew. But my stew is giving. I'm not a cooking. I don't know. I would have shown you guys the recipe, but I don't do recipe video on my channel. It's basically cook with me. It was before I did it. My old videos when I started, I did recipes. All right, so but now I don't do that again. So if you need such food, I don't know. There are a lot of people that do that. Delicious Army, Rose de Hujo, Rosemary, Chinwa TV, Zberry. Plenty of them do that. Okay, just check out their channel, and yeah.
It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now.
So guys, our stew is ready. Woo! I just added a little bit pepper and salt. I just added. Guys, when they see this stew, you people should bring your plate. Bring your plate. It is giving. Wait, make I carry and go where on go see and where. Make una take a look. 1, 2, 3, ready, go! Wow! Guys, see this stew, You see this stew? Everything is so fresh. Unique can cook. So I'm going to be ending this video here. Yeah. I think there's nothing much again to do. It's just remaining for us to eat now. The rice is still boiling, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time seeing this face, please My name is Oluchi Grace, and this is my channel, Unique Grace TV. You are highly welcome. I live in Turkey with my beautiful family, Garago. And to all my returning subscribers, my lovable people, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support me. I truly and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This my stew is giving. It is giving, like, oh my goodness, it's so yummy. Like, guys, I can't wait. This is exactly what I wanted. Like, since yesterday I have been craving for this kind of stew, though I wanted to make a sauce, you know, vegetable sauce, like chicken sauce and all of that, but I'm not able to do that. But this one too is giving, you get. So that is basically it. So guys, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye. Please give this video a thumbs up.